In this video, we'll take a look at creating a report template that combines manual entry data with process historian data. So I'll go back into the template studio. We'll create a new report template. This one is monthly basin report. It's a report template, and we're going to import a workbook again. So for this one, I'm going to use the monthly basin report file, and this one is going to combine historian data on the left here with manual data on the right. So I'll open up the connections interface, select the historian connector, add a new summary values group, and I'll select the 3 tags that I want here. I don't necessarily have tags that indicate what the headings are asking for, but just for the purpose of demonstration, we'll play along. We'll go with flow 1, 2, 3, and we'll do the daily average. And the time period is going to be duration month, since the report pertains to a month in total, and the row values are broken down by day. So I'll save that. We'll call this one hist data. Add it in B9, and then we'll add a second connection from the forms connector. So this one is going to be an XLReporter summaries group, since forms don't have server summaries. And we associate the data group with the form basin data. And then the timestamp we're already getting from the historian over here, so we take that off as the first column. And then we put in the columns the form is asking for here. So we want to do operator name, weather, rain gauge, number of basins in service, and the operator's comment. First sample, and then set the time period the same way as the history data group, which will be duration month, interval 1 day. So I'll save that. Monthly basin report, manual data. And then I will add this into F9. And then now I can just test this out in preview to make sure it's going to come back the way I'm looking for. And looks good to me. It's got the 3 records I entered in the right spots alongside the historian values. And now all I would have to do is go and assign a naming convention for this one. So since it's a monthly report, I'll just name the file year and month. And then I'll go into the schedule, and I'll just add for this one to be updated on the 1st of the month. With a time adjustment of 1 month, so that it generates the previously entered data. And actually, since these operators are a little bit lazy, they may not actually have everything entered on time, I'll give them an extra day. So I'll run it on the 2nd with a 1 month offset, and that way they'll have 2 extra days to make sure their manual data entry is in order before last month's report is run on the 2nd. And the sheet we want to update is going to be basinreport.template. And then now, as long as this scheduler is running, both of these reports will be generated automatically.